So we'll start. Hello everyone. I welcome everybody to today's sign language seminar. Before starting, I would like to give some introduction. Today's trainer, Mr. Ravi Parikh, is a graduate and professional ISL trainer from IDBA Indore. Mr. Ravi teaches ISL as a subject to both deaf and hearing in basic and diploma courses. He is a dedicated teacher who aims deaf and hearing people who stand equally at par. He wants more and more interpreters to be in India to bridge communication between the deaf and hearing communities. He is a faculty at Indore Deaf Bilingual Academy, which is run by Mok Badhir Sangathan, which is a higher secondary school, college, and vocational training institute for the deaf in Indore. IDBA runs professional Indian Sign Language diplomas both for deaf and hearing separately since year 2004, which is recognized by Rehabilitation Council of India. IDBA serves to the deaf community in higher education, national international sports, cultural competitions, art and crafts, employment, deaf matrimony, and Miss and Mr. Deaf India events. Let's call upon our speaker, Mr. Ravi Parikh and Gaurav Verma, who is our ISL interpreter and a special educator. Mr. Gaurav is a B.Ed in Deaf Education, MA in Education and Translation. He is also an active professional interpreter in the Indian deaf community since many years. He has also nationally and internationally traveled as an interpreter, and he is also a proud CODA, which is Child of Deaf Parents. I would like Mr. Ravi Parikh to continue.
Hello everyone, how are you all?
Great, great.
So if you have any doubt, you can just raise your hand if you don't understand. Okay. So we will write in chat box the word, then Ravi will sign. Okay. Just sign for okay. Just thumbs up. Good, good. So thanks, Leo, for inviting all of us. So I just would like to introduce myself. Myself, Ravi Parikh. I'm a BCom graduate. So doing a ISL job right now. I'm from Rajasthan and studied here in ITBA Indore and working here as an ISL teacher. So ISL we can use for communication, and what we are going to communicate with you. I'm not a hearing person, I'm a deaf. Okay, we can start now. Okay. So we can start words first. Okay. I. This is sign for I. So you all have to sign. Yes. I. Me. This is sign for me. You. You. Make the eye contact, not on the left side or the right side to whom you are talking. Yeah, just make eye contact and say you. Right. This and this. We. This stands for we. We. Second sign is we. they, and on the other side the people are standing and eye contact to whom you are talking, and left side they. So move your hand from left to right or right to left. They. Yeah. Deaf. Hearing. A person who can hear. So hearing. Strong. What is the sign? Can you guess? Strong. Yes. Right. Strong. The muscles. So Samir Veera, Khushi, and Dhi. Yes, I think. Can you open your cameras, please, so we can see? Yeah, good. Friend. Friend. This is sign for friend. Uh, yeah, Shubham. Okay, good. Woman. Woman. No spin and person. Yeah, woman. And what will be the sign for man? Can anybody guess? Yes. Good, Devansh. Man. Man, and this is person. Good. He. Man and sign pointing someone, not at the back, like this. Where the person is standing, you have to show like mustache and your index finger. She. She. Good. Mother. Mother. No spin and just rotate your hand. Yeah. This mother. Upside. Father. Can anybody guess? Father. Good. Good. Father. Good. You all are learning very fast. Sister. No spin and sibling. This is stand for sibling. Sister. Good. Brother. Very nice. Good, Aditya. Nice. Daughter, girl, and baby. This, and make hands like this. From your stomach, yes, like this. Sun, sun. Very nice. Good, Aditya. Good path. Very nice one. Beautiful. Beautiful. This and this. Beautiful. Good. Good. And the second sign is good. For good, we have two signs. You can use any of one. Bad. Bad. So make your facial expressions like dull. Or no, bad. Not smiling face. Like this. Bad. Learn. Learn. This is a book or copy, whatever. You are learning and it's going into your head. Yeah. Learn. The second sign, learn. If you're learning from someone, so it's like learning. Yeah. So like from book, we are learning like this. If teacher is teaching us, then we are learning from the, yeah, like good. Teach. This is teach. This is teach. Okay. So for example, you all are signing and I am teaching you. Signing, right? This is teaching or teach. Home. Home. Good. Family. 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 Just open your finger and thumb. Right. Right. Good man. Very good, Hiren. Good, follow me. Breakfast. Morning and breakfast. This is breakfast. Morning food. Breakfast. Lunch. Afternoon food. This is sign for lunch. Afternoon and food. Good. Dinner. The food at night time. So this is first morning, breakfast, afternoon, lunch, night, dinner. Okay. Happy. Smiling face. Happy. Just make your face happy like this. Happy. So I hope you are enjoying and happy to learn ISL. Yes. Great. Good. Good. Sad. Sad. Not smiling face. So it's like sad. I'm sad. Right. Good. School. School. This is school. School. Just open a book like school. Yes. School. Great. Study. Study. Means reading. Our second sign is study. Like when we are studying, just revising chapter or whatever. So make your hands little open, right? Study. Good. Class. Class. This is make a C and circle. Not like this. Make broader and shape. Yeah. Class. This is classroom. Good. So what will be the sign for good morning? Very good, very good. Good morning. What is the sign for good afternoon? Very nice, man. Very nice. Good Hiren. Good follow me. Good Shweta. Next hand on your forehead. Good night. Very good, very good. Vinali? Yeah, good, good. How are you? You? How are you? You first. This is a question word. How are you? So just come ahead and shake your head twice for question. How are you? I am fine. So in question, we have to come forward, and for answer, we just have to make your straight body. Yeah, I'm fine. I am good. Thank you. If you are a right-handed, so you can use your right hand, and if you are left-handed, you can use your left hand. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry. Sorry. Not on right side. From your heart. Yeah. Sorry. And feel guilty like sorry. Not smiling. No, I'm sorry. It's like I'm sorry. Good. Welcome. Welcome. It means you're inviting someone and welcoming them. Welcome. On your chest. Yeah. On your chest. Like welcome. Welcome. So second sign is welcome. Please. Please. Like you're requesting someone. Please. On your chin. From your chin side. Yeah. Who can sign this? I am there. Very good. Correct. I am deaf. I am deaf. Right. You are a teacher. You are a teacher. Who is going to sign this? Very good. Very good. He is hearing. Hearing. So this, what is this sign for? You are doing very well. So you are clapping because you are hearing people. For deaf, this is the sign for clapping. A visual clap. So you can hear, so you are making the noise, tapping your palms, and I am deaf, so I can't hear your voice, so I can see the visible clap like this. Good. Good. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. We are strong. They are strong. No, sorry, we are strong. You just have to keep your hand open, and while it comes to your other hand, just close your fingers. There are so many people, so it's like everyone. We. We are strong. Or we can sign like if we are two people only, so one and two. We. We are strong. Right, right. They are friends. They are friends. Good. Online. This is your middle finger, and just a web. Make a circle like Earth. Yes. So like we are connecting with each other on online. Online. Lockdown. Lockdown. This is locking everything. Make your hands broader. Corona. This is hand for Corona. And this. Right. This is sign for Corona. Why the sign is like this? There is a circle and the spikes on the sign of Corona, on a picture of Corona. So this is Corona. Take care. Take care. You are riding your bike, so just take care. Wear your helmet carefully. Stay home. Stay home. Home, stay. Keep distance. Don't stay closer. Just keep distance. Maintain distance. Okay. So we are just going back. I hope you everyone learned very well. So now I'm just revising and questioning you, okay? I will ask you all questions, right? So, deaf. What is the sign for deaf? Right. We. We. Aditya, you are doing it. Yeah. Now this hand here comes the left hand. So like right hand को left hand के अंदर डालिए. नहीं 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 लेफ्ट हैंड ओपन रखिए आपका. लेफ्ट लेफ्ट हाँ. अब राइट से लेके जाकर या एंड लेफ्ट के अंदर. राइट. वेरी गुड. गुड. स्ट्रॉन्ग. स्ट्रॉन्ग. Very good. Muscle man. Woman. Good. teacher. What is the sign for teacher? Virali, thumb down, index finger आगे. Right. Teacher. Good. So why teacher sign is like this? This is hand and this is stick. Like बचपन में जब मार पीटती थी हमको, stick होती थी टीचर्स के हाथ में. So this is stick. आप सभी को याद होगा जब हम छोटे थे हमने बहुत मार खाई होगी. So this is teacher. Right. Friend. 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 Very good. So you all are friends? Yes. Very good. You. You. Very good. Mother. Good Manushi. Good Samir. Good Virali. Good Kushi. She. She. Good. Good. And just point out. Yeah. Daughter. 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 Right. Good man. Good Virali. Brother. Brother. Aditya, brother. Brother. This is brother. Mooch and sibling. Brother. Bad. 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 Man, bad. Ganda. Bura. Bad. Right. Welcome. Welcome. Learn. सीखना. Learn. No. पार्क ये स्कूल का साइन है. Learn. Learn. Good Manushi. Good Anuj. Good. Very good man. This is one sign. Learn. And another sign is learn. Very good. Beautiful. Beautiful. You all are doing very well and very fast learners. Very good. So now we are going to start question words, question sentences. This is sign for question. Q and question. This is question and this is question. If I am questioning you, so my hand from your side to you, and if you are questioning to me, so from your side to my side. This is sign for question. Okay. Good. How much does it cost? So your head will be like how much does it cost? Money, and shake your head. Left, right. How much? हम किसी चीज के पैसे पूछते हैं तो लाइक हम पूछते हैं कितने का है. Right. Good Aditya. Good Virali. Which of them do you like? Like what? So for which of them you have options? See, you like this, this, or this. What? So again, you like this, this, this. What? Okay. Who is this? Who is this? Like a new face? So this kind of face. Who is this? So make questions on your face. Who is this? Right. What is this? ये क्या है? Good. What do you think? What do you think? Good. How old is the child? बच्चा कितने साल का है? This is sign for age. How old is the child? When is the holiday? When? This is sign for when. On your cheek, not on your lips. साइड में थोड़ा सा और पीछे. When. पीछे से आगे की तरफ हाथ को खोलना है. From back to front. Yes. When. When. Very good. When is Diwali? When is Diwali? Sign for दिया. दिए जलाते हैं हम सब. And the second sign is very good. Why are you sad? Where is the bank? This is alphabetical B. Bank. Where? This is bank. This is place. Where? Where is the bank? Bank. Place. Where? Okay. So now we can see in English form. So like where is the bank? So the sentence is like this. Where is the bank? So this is in an English grammar, right? So for deaf people, we have Indian Sign Language and we are using the Indian Sign Language grammar. So for example, bank, place, where. So the questions always comes at the end. WH questions always come at the end. In ISL, this is the grammar. In English, we are starting word with question, but in ISL, we are question at the last. Understood? Good? Okay. So if any doubts, you can ask me. This is time for doubts, or you can question me whatever you want. Okay? Sheet. Uh, please sign again.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Yeah, please.
I didn't hear you. What were you saying?
So this is you taught well, not learn. Very good, very good. So just a short information. Today we are learning the sign language, basic words. It's very good. And we are also running a 1 month basic course in ISL, Indian Sign Language. It's a 1 month duration course. And for 1 month, the fees is 1500 rupees. So if you want to learn, you can learn and communicate with deaf people easily. If you want to join, you can contact Monica ma'am or Gaurav sir for more details. Okay. And there is a course which soon is going to start, DTISL, which is Diploma in Indian Sign Language Teaching. It is only for deaf people. They can learn and they can become teacher. And there is a DISLI course, DISLI, Diploma in Indian Sign Language Interpreters course. This is for hearing people only. So after doing 2-year course, you can become an professional interpreter. And after doing the course, you can communicate with deaf people very easily. Like you all are signing very well and learning very, very smoothly. So it's very, uh, I'm giving you compliment. So what I'm talking about, the basic course for 1 month, there is no age bar, there is no age limit. Anyone can join. Any young boy, adult, or any old age person can join, and you all are most welcome for that. So we are doing some more sentences, or if you have any query, any question, any doubt, if you want to know any sign of a specific word, you can ask. Yeah. So okay, Aditya, just raise your hand. Yeah. So I'm questioning you. When is Diwali? So only Aditya can sign. When is Diwali? When? When? Right. Right. Very good. And next, Shweta. Yeah. Just raise your hand. Shweta. Yeah. Okay. Good. Where is the bank? Where is the bank? This is bank. Bank. Place. Where? Right. Good. Man. Yeah. Just raise your hand. Okay. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? No, no, no. How much does it cost? This money. No, no. This is which. How much does it cost? How much? That's it. That's it. Money. Ha. Right. Next. Nishita. Yeah. Just raise your hand. Yeah, right. What is this? What is this? Right. Good. Yes. Yeah. When is the holiday? When is the holiday? No, no, no. Lock and shut the door. When? When is the holiday? Good. Parth. Yeah. Who is this? This and who? Face. Yeah. Good. Very good. Virali? Yeah. What do you think? Yeah. What do you think? You, you, twice. Think what? Good. Hemant? Hemant? Yeah. Just raise your hand. Erin? Okay. Okay. Hemant, you can start. Why are you sad? Why are you sad? Okay. You said why? Heron? Yeah, good. How old is the child? How old is the child? Child. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good, good try. Child. Age. What? Good. Khushi. Khushi. Yeah. Which of them do you like? Which of them do you like? You like this, and what? Good. Very good. Samir. Good. Where is the bank? Where is the bank? Good. Place where? Place and where? Manushi. Okay. Why are you sad? Good. Devansh. What is this? Anuj? Okay. Who is this? वह कौन है? So you all are signing very, very well. Clap for you and clap for yourself. Very good. Now you can all clap. Yes, good, good, very good. Thank you everyone, and you all are welcome to visit our school, IDB and all. Any questions? Thank you, Parth. Yeah, Aman, please.
I just wanted to ask that how to communicate with a person if they are deaf, cannot hear, and cannot see also. All three senses are not there.
Right, good question. So, like we can see, so we can communicate with sign language, but if a person who is deaf and blind also, so they are using the sign language which is called tactile sign language. So they are using their hand, like for example, this is the hand, and I am signing, and they are just doing like this is the alphabets A, B, C, D. So they are learning like this. So this is called tactile sign language, and they can understand and learn everything. There are so many videos on deaf blind people on YouTube. You can see how they are using their educational skills, how they are communicating with each others. So like for ISL, we have a special ISL grammar, and for deaf blind people, they are using the different signing and their own grammar. Okay. So yeah, Virali.
Can you just make a small difference between thank you and welcome? I am getting confused with thank you and welcome.
Okay. So this is a sign for thank you. We are saying thank you, and this is welcome. Welcome. Thank you and welcome. If you greet someone, so like welcome. So I say thank you to you. So this is welcome. Welcome you all. Okay. So yeah, man, up to you now. So we are done with our class today. Someone, if you like to share anything.
Thank you, sir.
I hope you all enjoyed, and this is your first time when you're learning as a. Great, great, good work. Thank you, thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thanks to everyone for coming. We hope that you liked it. Quite interactive.
Thank you for taking such a great initiative, and especially Parth, Aditya, and people coming from Shubham from other districts and clubs. Thank you so much. I hope you all liked it. Initiative of LCBGN, and we hope to continue doing something like this.
We have batch 2 at 6 p.m. If you or your club members want to rejoin or get back here, we are here. The registrations are still open. Please feel free to join in.
Yes.
Man and Nishita, thank you for organizing this event, and all the best for your second batch.
Thank you so much.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
We should clap for all of us, yeah.
Yeah, let's clap.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.